Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial, and today I'll be talking about arrays. So we have three type of arrays in our AutoCAD. So we have rectangular array, pattern array, and our circular polar array. Okay, so let's talk about how we're gonna use our rectangular array because that's the first one. Okay, so for that I'm just gonna draw one rectangle right here. It doesn't matter what you draw. You can draw a line, anything that you like. So in my case, I just wanted to draw a rectangle so it's more uh, clear and easier to see. So I'm going to click on my rectangular array right here. It's saying select the first object, right? So select this object. So I'm going to select this object. I'm going to hit enter after selecting. So it automatically gives me few, as a default, it already gave me 4 columns and 3 rows. Although I can change it from here, okay? Or I can change it from here by mouse, okay? Okay, as you guys can see, you can change it from here, right? Same thing for here. Okay, same thing, right? Now this is to increase the number, increase the size in the size between them. Okay, so you can increase this side or size from here. Although you can definitely change it from here, like 4, 2. You see, you can manually put in numbers from here, or you can change it from here. Associate, if this thing is gonna allow all of this to get connected together. If you uncheck this, once you get out of the array, everything will be individually by themselves. They won't be like a array. It will be all separate. Okay, this is your base point. You can click here, change your base point. For example, right here, you can change your base point by clicking here. Okay, I'm gonna get it back where it was originally. Perfect, sweet. So that's it about our rectangular array. And I forgot to mention one thing, levels. Okay, so if I were to put 3 levels, okay, and I come here, as you guys can see, this is now in my isometric view, this is 3 layers, like 1, 2, 3, right? And same thing, the distance is over here, okay, and that's the total. So I'm just gonna get it out of here after clicking 1, enter. Okay, basically get out of here. Okay, now I'm going to talk about my pattern array. Okay, for this I'm just going to draw a little drawing, okay, which I like to draw. It's going to be one long rectangle like this, and okay. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to make a white picket fence, which is gonna look like convert to arc. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's just need this. Perfect, sweet. Now now my goal is to pattern this along the line, right? So I'm gonna come here, click on my path array. It's saying select object. I'm gonna select all of these objects, enter it in the system. Okay, which is gonna be my, now it's asking for what's the path, right? This is the path. Okay, give it a few seconds because my computer is a little too old. Okay, perfect. Now it's aligned it right, which is perfect. Now the only thing is I have to get these things straight. How would I do this? By this alignment button. Okay, once I click here, give it a few seconds. Okay, sweet. Now all of this is aligned, which is perfect, right? Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to get it match this with the endpoint, right? Come here, divide. Okay, once you do this, this option will go away. Okay, now it's doing all manually. Everything is calculated by itself. Okay, same thing with rows. Like if I need uh two, I can click here two. There'll be two rows. Okay. Okay. Why didn't do it? Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, my rows got collected up here, which is supposed to be down here. So I'm gonna click back again. Okay. Open up that. Why are my batteries running in low power mode? Okay, sweet. Okay, and I'm gonna do one, which is one. Okay, and I want to do edit array, explode. I'm gonna do explode. Now everything is individually set, right? Which is perfect. Now I'm gonna click here on the line, click this point, right? Everything else I want to do trim. Sweet. Now all of this thing delete. Sweet. My drawing is done. This is how you do your path array. Now I'm going to delete all this. Okay. Now I'm going to click here. I'm going to do my circular array. For that, I'm just going to draw one big circle. No, first I'm going to draw one small circle. Okay. Actually, let me just make this circle bigger. Okay, sweet. Now it's time to do my polar array. So I'm going to click this object. I'm going to and my base point gonna be this thing, this circle point, which is perfect. I can increase or decrease the number right from here. This is for um, spacing. Okay, this is for rows. If I want two rows, I need what, six? No, I need what, nine. Nine. Enter. Okay, perfect. Divide or undivide just depend on yourself. You want to this is to separate everything from itself, which you don't have to go over here or explode. If you click this thing, okay, this, so it's associative button over here, right? So this is how you create that, and I'm gonna click one. Okay, one look much nicer. Perfect. Now right now everything is individually. Okay, I can edit them manually, okay, if I need to. So basically this is it about our three arrays. So if you guys like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or if you have any comments, please comment down below. I'll answer them if you have any questions. And thank you for watching. Take care.